Exploratory research is a type of research design that is conducted when the researcher aims to explore a topic, gain insights, and generate hypotheses rather than testing specific hypotheses or making conclusive statements. It is often used in the early stages of research when the phenomenon under investigation is not well understood or when there is limited existing information on the topic. Key characteristics of exploratory research include flexibility, informality, open-endedness, and the absence of predefined hypotheses. Importance of exploratory research. 1. Problem definition. It helps in clarifying the research problem or question by providing a better understanding of the topic, particularly valuable when dealing with a complex or ambiguous subject. 1. Hypothesis generation. Essential for generating hypotheses that can be tested in future research, laying the groundwork for more focused and targeted investigations. 1. Identifying variables. Researchers can identify relevant variables and factors that may influence the phenomenon of interest, aiding in the development of a more comprehensive research design. 1. Reducing uncertainty. In situations where there is a lack of prior information, exploratory research helps to reduce uncertainty by providing initial insights, guiding the researcher in developing a more precise and effective research plan. In summary, exploratory research is crucial for laying the foundation of a research study, providing insights, and guiding the formulation of hypotheses for further investigation. It is particularly useful when dealing with new or complex topics where little is known, helping researchers refine their focus and approach. And today, I want to tell you about BASE Research Consultancy Group, which conducts primary data collection in Pan-India. The BASE Research Consultancy Group, BRCG, has been one of India's leading public policy think tanks, established in January 2010 to serve all research, evaluation, and assessment areas. It is a non-profit, non-partisan, independent institution dedicated to conducting research that contributes to the production of high-quality scholarship, better policies, and a more robust public discourse about the structures and processes that shape life in India.